Apple is making significant moves in the smartphone market with its first foldable iPhone and the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup. According to Apple expert Mark Gurman, the foldable iPhone is expected to launch next year, taking inspiration from Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold. This means it could have a design that unfolds from a standard smartphone into a compact tablet. Gurman believes Apple can no longer ignore the growing demand for foldable devices and sees this as a logical step forward. The foldable iPhone is expected to feature many of the same technologies as the iPhone 17 Air and will likely carry a premium price tag of around $2,000. While it may not see massive sales initially, its exclusivity and Apple's brand loyalty could make it a success. In terms of the traditional iPhone lineup, the standard iPhone 17 is not expected to introduce groundbreaking features. Apple has been known to save its most significant innovations for the Pro models, and Gurman does not see this changing. However, the standard model will still receive some modest but welcome upgrades. The rear camera system will likely see improvements, and for the first time, it is expected to feature a ProMotion display. This will allow for smoother scrolling and animations, something that has been exclusive to the Pro models until now. Inside, it is expected to be powered by Apple's next generation N19 chip, which will offer a boost in speed and efficiency. The iPhone 17 Pro models will be where Apple introduces its most advanced upgrades. Gurman claims that all three rear cameras in the Pro lineup will feature 48-megapixel sensors, a major leap in image quality. This will likely make a significant difference in photo and video capabilities, positioning the Pro models as some of the best smartphones for photography and content creation. Apple has consistently focused on camera advancements in recent years, and this trend seems to be continuing with the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. One of the most intriguing additions to the lineup is the rumored iPhone 17 Air. Gurman suggests that consumers looking for a phone in the $800 range may find it worthwhile to stretch their budget slightly for this new model. He believes the specification differences between the standard iPhone 17 and the iPhone 17 Air won't be too significant, but users will get a thinner, lighter phone with more screen space. If this model delivers on expectations, it could be a strong competitor for those who prioritize sleek design and portability. Between the new foldable device, camera upgrades, and the introduction of the Air model, Apple's upcoming lineup seems to offer something for everyone. While the foldable iPhone will cater to tech enthusiasts willing to invest in cutting-edge technology, the standard iPhone 17 will continue to serve as a solid option for those who want a more traditional experience. The Pro models will appeal to users who want the latest and greatest camera technology, while the Air could find its place among those who value a slim and lightweight design. There is also speculation about a major iOS 19 redesign, which could bring significant changes to Apple's software experience. However, there are concerns that Apple's AI and software advancements might not keep up with the impressive hardware changes. If Apple can align both, this could be one of its most exciting product cycles in years. Samsung is preparing for another major smartphone launch, and this time, the focus is on the highly awaited Galaxy S25 Edge. Reports indicate that this ultra-slim premium device might arrive in India by April 2025, with a global launch expected around the same period. With the excitement building, this could be one of the most talked about smartphone releases of the year. Earlier this year, Samsung introduced the Galaxy S25 series, but there were hints about another high-end model, the Galaxy S25 Edge. Now, as April gets closer, more details are coming to light. Well-known tech analyst Abhishek Yadav has shared that the phone is expected to launch in India first, given the country's importance as one of Samsung's key markets. This could mean that other regions will see the device soon after. A major highlight of the Galaxy S25 Edge is its design. While Samsung has yet to reveal the exact dimensions, leaks suggest it could be one of the thinnest flagship smartphones ever. The display size is expected to be similar to the Galaxy S25 Plus, but with an even slimmer profile. The company is rumored to be using high-quality materials to enhance both durability and appearance. Some reports suggest a titanium frame for added strength, while others mention a ceramic back to give it a premium feel. The screen is another area where this phone is set to impress. It is expected to feature a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with QHD+ resolution. The 120Hz refresh rate will ensure smooth performance, whether scrolling through apps, gaming, or streaming videos. Additionally, the display is rumored to reach a peak brightness of 2,600 nits, making it one of the brightest smartphone screens available. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy S25 Edge is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, the same processor found in other Galaxy S25 series models. This will ensure top-tier performance, whether handling demanding apps, gaming, or AI-driven features. The device is expected to come with at least 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, providing enough space for all kinds of data. For photography enthusiasts, the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be a powerful choice. Rumors suggest a 200 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization for crisp and detailed images. Alongside it, there might be a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor for capturing more in a single frame. The front camera is also expected to be 12 megapixels with autofocus, ensuring sharp and clear selfies. Out of the box, the phone is expected to run One UI 7.0 based on Android 15. Samsung has also committed to providing long-term software support, offering 7 major Android OS updates and 7 years of security patches. This ensures users will have a reliable and up-to-date experience for years. Battery life is another key aspect, and the Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to feature a 4,000 mAh battery. While this may seem smaller compared to some other flagship models, Samsung's software optimizations and the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip should help maximize battery performance. Apple is making headlines again with the iPhone 17 series, and this time, the design changes are the biggest talking point. Thanks to leaks and dummy models surfacing online, we now have a clearer look at what Apple might be planning. Some of these changes have already sparked debates, with fans either excited or confused by Apple's new direction. The latest leaks showcase 4 models: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Notably, Apple seems to be dropping the Plus variant and replacing it with the Air model. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be the thinnest iPhone ever at just 5.5 millimeters, making it a lightweight and compact alternative to the regular iPhone 17. When looking at the dummy models, the standard iPhone 17 doesn't seem to be changing much from the iPhone 16. However, the iPhone 17 Air appears to be taking a fresh approach with its design. It is expected to feature a single rear camera, much like the iPhone 16e. Additionally, the camera module now stretches horizontally across the back, which reminds some people of Google's Pixel phones. The biggest design shift, however, seems to be happening with the Pro models. Both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to feature an edge-to-edge camera housing. While they will still have triple camera setups, the size and shape of the module are noticeably different. This design choice has been met with mixed reactions. Some are excited to see Apple experimenting with new looks, while others question whether the changes actually improve the phone's functionality. Regardless of opinions, these leaks are not final. Apple might still make adjustments before the official launch, so the final design could look slightly different. Beyond the design, there are also some notable hardware upgrades in the works. One of the biggest changes could be the front camera. Apple has used a 12 megapixel selfie camera for years, but rumors suggest the iPhone 17 will feature a 24 megapixel sensor. This should result in sharper selfies, improved low-light performance, and better video quality for FaceTime and social media. For the Pro models, the rear cameras are also expected to get a major boost. Last year, Apple focused on upgrading the ultra-wide lens, but this time, the telephoto camera is rumored to be the main focus. Reports suggest that the 12 megapixel telephoto lens will be replaced with a 48 megapixel periscope camera. This upgrade could introduce 8K video recording to the Pro models, making them even more powerful for videographers and content creators. Performance-wise, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are expected to feature the new N19 Pro chip, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM. This upgrade is likely to improve AI-powered features and overall efficiency, making the devices more powerful than ever. As for the official launch, the iPhone 17 series is expected to be announced in September. With months still to go before Apple's big reveal, more leaks and rumors will likely surface, giving us an even better idea of what to expect. Overall, the iPhone 17 series seems to be shaping up to be an interesting upgrade. While the design changes may be controversial, the camera and performance improvements could make these new models a solid step forward. The big question is whether Apple's design choices will be a hit or a miss with consumers. What do you think? Do you like the new design, or do you prefer Apple's current look? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.